What's up, everybody? In this video we're going to be unboxing the Alienware M15 R4. So just got this in today. We're going to take it up, or open it up, and take a look at what we got inside. So I got this on sale from Dell. I believe it was about $1,500 currently. I'll put a link down in the description for Amazon as well if you want to check the pricing on there. See what kind of deal they're having on it right now. Go ahead and get this out of the shipping box. Alienware. Some art on the side. That's the M15. Alright, so let's open this up. Let's see. I don't want it. Push the handle down in. And open it up. There we go. So there it is. We've got a box of power cords, private charger, all that stuff right here. So we got our power pack, nice and slim. Or how many watts it is? 240 watt power supply. Power cable. And then we've got the top itself here. Go ahead and lift that out. Come back to that in just a second. Little Alienware card. Little box of probably stuff we don't care about. And that looks like it. The rest is just packing materials. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put this down. This is a heavy box. Very well packed, very good. It's not even styrofoam, it's like almost like padding. Probably spent $100 on the box. Alright, let's see what's in this little pack here. A little Alienware quick starter guide giving you a layout of all the different ports, things like that, and then our warranty and safety information. All right. Put that aside, set the charger down. So there we have it. So this is the back. This is give you the specs of it here real quick. This has a GeForce 3070, 8 gigs, RTX 3070 dedicated graphics card, 6-cell 86 watt-hour battery, and I believe this offer came with the premium support, so the service, 1-year premium service on it. Usually I don't care about that, but I think that was part of the offer that they had. A 1 terabyte SSD. And let's see what kind of processor. 10th gen i7 108070H 8-core i7. The screen is a 15.6 inch, hence the 15 in the name. A 15.6 inch 1080p 1080 screen, 300 hertz. Is that correct? Oh, so it's only 1080. But wow, 300 hertz, that's pretty good. 16 gigs of DDR4. And let's see, anything else of note here? That's about it. So yeah, this is going to be an upgrade to my, currently using a Surface. Ooh, let's peel this off. Here's our, I give up. I'll keep working on it while I talk. The specs, yeah, it's going to replace my Surface Pro laptop. Wanted something with dedicated graphics, a little more power to it. So that's why I went with this when I saw it on sale. There we go. Alright, well, it's all in individual pieces, so that's not as satisfying as it should have been. Alright, so here's a look at the keyboard. Nothing too surprising there. You have the little Alienware power button, which works nicely in their little design. As far as the keyboard itself, you got a full-size backspace. None of the keys feel out of place. Sometimes you get weird keyboards. Would hope Alienware is way beyond any small issues like that. Alright, so let's take a look around the laptop. The front, you got nothing here, except it looks like you've got 2 stereo speakers on the front. Come around the side here, we've got a mini SD card reader and 2 USB ports, as well as our first fan vent. And then on the back, we've got HDMI, display port, power. Is that USB 3 or Thunderbolt or both? Right there. Let's look at the specs on that. And then you've also got your, I believe this is the Dell docking port, and then your power plug there. And then on the far side, you've got your Ethernet port, another HDMI port, and your headphone connector. So not a ton of ports, but I think a decent amount. I like that it has an SD card reader. And again, this thing's nice and slim for what it is. I mean, again, this is a 3070 graphics card in this build here. Got nice little branding right here on the back. LED keyboard. Go ahead and turn it on. Maybe it doesn't have enough battery. Oh, there it goes. So RGB keyboard. Oh, and it's got lighting on the back as well. Nice and slick. And of course, the Alienware head lights up as well. Would expect no less. So yeah, I thought this was a pretty good deal. Again, for about $1,500. Even if it was a little more than that, I mean, I know some people don't like the Alienware brand, but I mean, you're going to get a good product. You're going to get good quality. It might be a little overpriced because of the name. Obviously, they're throwing in the lights. They're paying $100 for the box. But you're going to get a good build quality of your computer here. The screen's kind of bleached out. It's not actually that bright. Here, bring that down. So that's the setup screen. This should have Windows 10 on it.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U or select the accessibility
So yes,
icon in the bottom
this
corner.
is stereo sound, and there is no touchscreen. Just mouse, normal input, which I think a lot of people prefer. And yeah, so just walking through the setup here. This definitely is Windows 11, and there you go. So quick unboxing of this, quick look at this laptop. Like I said, the build quality, is always good. Feels very sturdy, very well built. So if you're interested, check out the link, see if it works for you. And I'll be doing a follow-up video on this as well, giving you my thoughts on it. This will become kind of my daily, not my daily driver. I'll still be using my main desktops for that, but kind of my main mobile driver. So thanks guys for watching the video. If you want to see more unboxing review content like this, be sure to subscribe. Also doing some stuff on cryptocurrency, so you'll see that mixed in here as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.